Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. I'm still watching for a possible wave 2 here to the downside. Even today, even though Bitcoin is going up a little and Ethereum, we don't really see much price action here to the upside. It's pretty much flat. That at the moment is at least in line with our scenario that we have a good chance of making lower lows below the $94 level. I did highlight that there will be some support between $94 and $97. We only spoke about that in yesterday's video. If I now look at where QNT is holding, it's basically holding support at $98 at the moment, so just above the last swing low. And it doesn't really want to go lower at the moment. It's stubborn again, but ideally it would go lower eventually and break below the $94 level. At least the Elliott wave count would suggest that, even though, I'm looking at this as a WXY structure, and then in the Y wave we have an A, B, C, and in the C wave we have a 1, 2, and the move down would now be a third wave. So depending on what happens now, I might have to change the view, change the assumption a little bit, because what I've got there as wave 3 of C, let me think, wave 3 of Y, wave 3 wave 3 of C of Y, it should really break to the downside now, and the faster the better, because it would then be more in line with what wave 3s normally do. Now, you need to be aware that if this here was a wave 1 to the downside, the pullback in an ABC structure, a wave 2, then the third wave would, in this case, most likely unfold as 3 waves, because the C wave can be understood as ending diagonal. Also here, the wave 1 looks pretty much like a 3-wave structure, then 3 waves up here, and this could also be an A wave down, a B wave, maybe a triangle, and then a C wave down in wave 3, then 3 waves in wave 4, 3 and 5. At least that's an idea. It's very, very messy here. A lot of whipsaw action here, up and down, quick up and down, without a clear sense of direction at the moment. But ideally, it's going to head down lower. Now, when will the idea that we will make another low get much less likely? When would I consider to change my view? It would be if price can rally above the last significant swing high, this B wave high, at $120. At least then I think we have a better chance to say that something more bullish is going on. Now, what you can never rule out is that this B wave is going to extend a little higher, but above $120, it is just more likely that something more bullish might be going on, but not necessarily a breakout already in a third wave. We'll see then. It might very well be, depending on what the price is doing now, that it could just go a little higher in a B wave before eventually coming down. But we will keep focusing on that. For now, all eyes, I think, need to be on that $94 to $97 range. And below that level, an ideal target here for ending this entire correction would be around the $80 mark, the low $80 mark. All right, that's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.